In this video, we're going to go over the edit conversation workflow action item. So this is great to mark a conversation as read or unread, or archive or unarchive a conversation. So for this example, I'm going to use a call status completed trigger and mark my conversations as read. So to add our edit conversation, we're going to click on the plus icon, and then I'm going to type in edit, and you'll see edit conversation. So then here you can change the action name. I'm going to do mark as read, and then here you can click mark as read or unread. So I want to do mark as read, and then if you want to archive or unarchive, you can also select these options as well, and then just go ahead and click on save action. So this is great if you have an inbound call and you've answered it and you don't want that in your unread messages. You can automatically mark these as read, so you don't have to manually go and mark them as read. So it's a great way to save time and easily organize all of your conversations.